Hi, hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the NCERT solution regarding 9th class chapter matter in our surroundings. Already we discussed about the matter in our surroundings. Matter means anything which occupies space. It has mass and volume is known as matter. Matter has been classified into types: physical classification, chemical classification. According to physical classification, students look at the small definition of matter you discussed already. Classification of matter based on the physical properties in physical classification and chemical classification. What is physical classification means by based on their appearance, based on their appearance and nature, they have been classified like solids, liquids, gas, plasma, Bose, Einstein, condensate. So we are discussing especially about the solid, liquid gases. Plasma will be exist at a high temperature. Stars contain plasma only. Bose, Einstein, condensate is the fifth state of the matter. This state of matter exists at lowest temperature. When any matter is there, if you go for lowest temperature, there is a new kind of matter will be available. That kind of matter, the scientist name is a Bose and Einstein. They propose that's called Bose-Einstein condensate. So in each chapter we are going to more focus on the solid, liquids, gases only, where we are not discussing much more focus on the plasma and Bose-Einstein is there. So let's go for the next one is classification of the matter based on their chemical composition. Based on the chemical composition is there. So whether the matter is made up of one kind of material, two kind of material, based on that one they have been classified. Suppose I am just taking the distilled water. Suppose if you take distilled water doesn't contain any minerals, dissolved gases, the only water is available, that's called as pure substances. What does mean impure substances? Suppose I just take a small amount of water. When I add the sand, what happens? Sand plus water is available. So it's combination of two materials also. It is called impure substance. Impure materials also called as mixture only. What is meaning mixture? Combination of two or more compounds in any ratio is known as mixture only. Okay, mixture does. First of all, I will say some points regarding mixture only. Mixtures doesn't have any fixed melting point and boiling point. Mixtures can be separated easily by the physical method, either the separation of distillation method, filtration method, okay, some method. Next one is mixture doesn't have mixture is there no. It doesn't have any fixed molecular formula is not available. Clear? This is regarding the mixtures only. Example, you want mixture means salt water. So just salt water, saline water only. Okay, just consider the air also a mixture only. Here is mixture of the oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, some other impurities are there. So coming to pure substance is then further classified into elements and compounds only. So pure material means only one kind of material. Compounds, how you may ask question, sir, how compounds are coming in the category of pure substance means I am just taking the distilled water. Distilled water contain only H2O molecule. Clear? Only H2O is there. If you take sugar, only contains sugar. So this is regarding the basic idea regarding classification of the matter. Okay, let's go for some in-text questions is there no. Look at the first of all, look at the question is there no. Which of the following? Okay, here which of the following are matter only. Look at, they're asking some, they have given certain materials are, they're asking whether they are matter or not only. Chair, because chair is occupied the space is there, it has some mass also is there no, so it is a matter only. Next one is air. Air occupies the space only no, so air also considered as matter only. Love doesn't occupy the space. Okay, smell also doesn't occupy the space only. Heat doesn't occupy the space. Okay, next one is then here almond they will occupy the space. Thoughts, they cannot occupy the space. Cold, they cannot occupy the space. Cold drink is then generally to occupy the space only. Smell or perfume doesn't occupy the space. So answers are chair, air, almond and cold drink. Okay now, just consider cold drink bottles are there no, it has the volume also is there, so it's considered as. Next one is the next question is there. So look at this very good question is there no. Suppose I will say one small thing is there no. Your mother is preparing any food material, seeing in the kitchen something else is there no. When she start preparing, when you start heating in whatever, immediately you get smell. Why we are getting smell means because here when temperature increases, kinetic energy of the molecules increases, they spread easily. Clear? So suppose you just taken the any one perfume bottle is when open the perfume bottle also, here also gas molecule move from high pressure to low pressure, that's why smell will be spread easily. That's the reason why generally when temperature increases, kinetic energy of the molecule increases, they can easily spread in the air only. So go for next question is there, no? Okay, next one is the generally look at the question. A driver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Suppose when any person is jumping into the water, he can easily enter into the water only. Why? Because means no, here just imagine I'm just taking the water. When a person is entering the swimming pool is there, no, water has a weak intermolecular force of attraction is there, so it can be cut. Okay, no. So what I mean, that's reason why only. You can also wave your hand in the in the air also possible. If you also wave your hand in the water, but you can see some difference will be there, no. But we cannot wave our hand. We cannot place our hand inside the solids only because the solids are tightly packed. You cannot move your hand over there. Okay, that reason only the person who is in the swimming pool will be able to. Look at the students here. Here I mentioned 3 diagrams are there. One is solid, one is liquid, one is gas only. Imagine here in the solid all molecules are tightly packed. If the all molecules tightly packed means you cannot there doesn't have any intermolecular space is there, we cannot move our hands on. When you come to liquid, some intermolecular space is there. Look at it, some intermolecular space is there. If any person is jump into the water, they will be break the intermolecular force of attraction, they will enter into the water only. In gas is there less intermolecular force of attraction is there, you can easily move in the water only, sorry, in the air only. So that's the reason why the person who is entering the swimming pool, you can easily cut the water only. Look at the generally what are the general characteristics of the particular particles of matter only. So suppose if you take any matter is then how the particles are behave. Clear is there, no? Just imagine first one is then particles have intermolecular spaces. Already discussed in the previous one, intermolecular space will be available. Particles have some intermolecular force of attraction will be there. Just imagine here. Just look at these 2 particles. These 2 particles, what happened there? The particles are intermolecular space. Look at these 2 particles are very closely packed, so intermolecular space is less. These 2 particles, long distance intermolecular space will be there. Look at the one point I will say. Less intermolecular spaces, more intermolecular force of attraction. Next one is the particles of matter is continuously moving only. For this one I will give one small example. You remember when you see the dust particles moving, when you go for any cinema theater, just notice here, whenever focal light is coming here, you can see that some dust particles are moving. So what I mean that the particles are always continuously motion only because the particles having kinetic energy. Because of this reason only, when your mother is preparing the food smell is spreading easily. Clear? Look at the, you know very well, density formula, but mass by volume only. They are given certain materials are then increasing order of density they are asking is there. Look at, you know very well, the iron has more density. Next one is chalk is having more density. Next honey is having more density. Next water, cotton. Look at there, some chimney gases are there. These are gases. Here air is there. So these are increased. Look at the air density. Do you know density nothing but mass by volume. Look, is there less volume is there, more density will be there. Clear? Next one is there here. They given one question is there, no? They are given the difference between the tablet difference between the solids, liquids, and gas only. Next one is there. What they are asking here. Look at their difference they are asking. When you come to very important shape. Solids are fixed shape only. Look at, you just take any book is then it has fixed one type of the shape will be there. For liquid doesn't have any fixed shape. Fixed. Okay. So for liquid doesn't have any value. Look at, suppose I'm just taking the water. When I pour the water in the glass, it look like a glass. If I pour in the beaker, it look like the beaker. So it individually doesn't have any fixed shape will be there. So whatever the material you place in the base on the container, the shape will be appears only. Next, gas doesn't have any fixed shape will be the gas, you cannot see any shape is there, no. So next one is volume. Generally solids have fixed volume only. You take one brick, a brick is volume is fixed only. For liquid is then liquid has fixed volume only. We are purchasing 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liters only, no. Liquid in liters only, we fixed volume only. Gas doesn't have any fixed volume. If it has fixed volume, you cannot go for compressible factor. Next one is rigidity and fluidity only. So what is rigidity, fluidity? Just imagine I'm just taking the liquid. Look at the rigidity, fluidity is there. Generally solids are rigid nature only. They cannot move. Suppose if you take one brick, when you place the brick can move. No, brick cannot move only. Suppose if you pour the water can be moved. So it has a can flow. It doesn't have generally not rigid nature is there. Gas are then gases would just take one balloon filled with air and open the balloon. What happens? The gas molecule move very fastly. So gas doesn't have any rigid nature. Very less rigid nature will be. They can flow very easy. That's why only liquids and gas are called as a fluids. Liquids and gas called as a fluids only. Next come to intermolecular forces. I'll discuss here. In solid, intermolecular forces are very strong. More forces are there, less space will be there, fixed shape will be there. Liquid is there. When compared with the solid, less will be there. When compared with gas, more will be there. Clear now? So here look at here, this one is just less than the solid only. Intermolecular force less than the solid, here very less only. Intermolecular spaces, gases having maximum intermolecular spaces. When compared with the liquids, having less intermolecular spaces. When compared with the liquid, solid have very less intermolecular space, gap between the molecule only. Compressible, solid we cannot be compressed. If you take any brick, if you compress, we apply the pressure, brick shape will be changes. No. So liquid will be compressible and gases are highly compressible. Apply the low temperature, high pressure, gas can be converted into liquid only. Clear? Next one is the common is rigidity. The tendency of any substance is then retain its shape is called rigidity only. Rigid nature means they won't change. Clear? Is there no compressibility? The matter has intermolecular space will be there. No, when the external force applied, the just particles are come close to each other and shape will be changes. That's called compressibility. Example I will say small one is there. No, generally sponge, you just take sponge. When apply there's a pressure on the sponge, what happens? The sponge become very compressible only. Just take carton also. Clear? Is then that's called compressible. Gases are highly compressible. Gas and liquids are compressible only. What is meant by fluidity? The tendency of flow of material is called fluidity only. Okay, the tendency of flow of material called fluidity only. General liquids and gas called as fluid only. Filling of a gas container. Generally, you look at the just if you want fill in the gas container, what will apply? The high pressure. Okay, high pressure will apply is there. No. Okay, when generally they have more intermolecular spaces, then you can easily fill in the containers only. Shape, because the solid have maximum intermolecular forces and definite shape will be there, whereas liquid and gas doesn't take a shape of the container, doesn't have fixed energy. Then come to the kinetic energy, very important one is there. Not gases molecules having high kinetic energy, they can easily vibrate. Okay, no. If you want to see kinetic energy means just a very small example. Honeybees, how honeybees are moving, no? Similar way, gas particles also always move, but we cannot see that particles also. Place the temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, the molecules easily spread on them. When you come to solids, have less kinetic energy will be. That's only we need more temperature to vibrate the molecules only. Clear? Density nothing but mass by volume only. Next one is here. Go for next question is there. No reason they are asking that a gas fills completely the vessel in which then kept. Generally, what happens here? Gas will be expand. If you take the gas and one look at here, let's have a look here. I'm take 1 liter volume. This is a beaker. This beaker is a 2 liters volume. If I place 10 ml of hydrogen gas, what hydrogen gas is there? No, when I apply high pressure, when I place here, it occupies 1 liter 10 ml. So if suppose same 10 ml we place a 2 liters bottle container also, it occupies the total volume. Reason why means no gas occupy the maximum space available. That's the reason only gas will be expanded. Look at the next question is there. No, a gas exert pressure in all direction. Suppose very well you study in the 6th standard. Okay, here just take the one balloon will be there. If you take one balloon, okay, just imagine if you take here one balloon is there. I'm taking one balloon is there. If you take the balloon, in this balloon filled with air. You just imagine here balloon is something else tied. You can see the air will apply in this direction. Okay, side direction, upward direction, backward direction. So gas molecule apply the all direction pressure, upward direction. So all side will be pressure will be there. Next one is then a wooden table should be colored solid. Yes, it colors solid. Only means here solids have fixed shape will be there. Okay, it doesn't have the fixed shape only. Next one is the why do we easily move the hands in our air? Generally, why you are moving here already in the air means already discussed here the because of air molecule having high intermolecular spaces. That's reason why we can able to move our hand in the air. Clear is there? No. Next one is go for the next question is there here easy question only. A liquid generally have low density as compared to solid only. Generally, once I will give you the idea is there. Now look at the bird. Why? But you must have observed that one is ice floats on water. Find why. Generally, density nothing but mass by volume. Density nothing but mass by volume. All have discussed. Whenever volume is increases, density is decreases only. Density is decreases. So what happens here? Then just imagine if you take the that's reason why just why you look at the water. Ice is solid, but its density is lower than the water due to its structure only. It has some hexagonal structure will be there, and also you can see when you take an ice cube is there, it contains small gap will be there. In that gap, what happens? The air molecules are occupied. That's reason why ice can be floats on the water only. We can see the Titanic is there. No, Titanic collapse happened because of the ice floats on the water only. Next one is there. No, you know very well. Conversion on temperature. How can you convert one units to another units only? In your physics you will study already. Suppose they have given 300 kelvins. I want convert in degrees Celsius. You just do one small thing is then just minus the value of 300 degrees Kelvin. 300 kelvins minus 273 kelvins. That is equal to 27 degrees only. Please then or else is then whatever degrees value you get plus 273 you can add. You get the same thing only. Next one is they are asking 573 kelvins only. 573 kelvins you want to convert degrees Celsius means 573 kelvins minus 273 you get a 300 degrees Celsius only. Next one is there no is one look at this one problem you get very clearly. What is physical state of the world? They given 250 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius only. Remember 250 degrees Celsius means water is gas only, vapor only. No? 100 degrees Celsius what happens there here and 100 degrees Celsius water starts boiling. Water starts boiling means two possibilities there. Liquid state is there, gaseous state will be there. Clear? Next one is go for next question. Look at students upon any substance is there no? Why does the temperature remaining constant during the change state? Suppose you just imagine you just take the one beaker, in that beaker just keep the some ice cubes are there. And if you keep the one thermometer you can see the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Then what happens if you start heating the solution is there no? Heating the ice cubes are there no? After few seconds the temperature remaining constant. Why remaining constant means whatever the temperature you are supplying to the ice cubes to melt, but ice cubes takes energy first it's converted into state. That's the reason why they are called latent heat is called hidden heat only. Look at here, I will give the one graph is there no? Temperature heating supply is there no? I'm taking one solid is there. I'm taking one solid. What happened there? Taking solid when I give the temperature. Suppose look at heat supply temperature is there no? Look at the what happened there? What particular temperature remaining constant only. Why remaining constant means is this temperature is called latent heat of the fusion. The temperature remaining constant as solid is turned to liquid only. Once a solid convert into liquid, again temperature starts. The again our particular time is what happened there? Again temperature remaining constant. Why temperature remaining constant means at this temperature the liquid molecules are take energy, they become gases only. That's called as a latent heat of the vaporization only. This is called as a latent heat of the evaporation. During this latent heat is then latent heat means hidden heat. At these two conditions the temperature is remaining constant only. The temperature is remaining constant. Look at here, they are given one suggested method to liquefy the atmosphere gas only. Generally, they have taken gas in the cylinder, is there no? Look at this called generally they are taking piston, it means the piston will be moved up and down only. Then they will take the gas and here and they apply the pressure, piston is moving downward. Whenever piston is moving downward, gas molecules are coming close to each other under high pressure. When you decrease the temperature apply high pressure, the gas become to liquid state only. By applying high pressure, low temperature, gases can be converted in liquid. This is called as a liquefaction of the gas only. Please there no. Suppose the last one question for your competitive examination. I have carbon dioxide gas, hydrogen gas, and neon gas. Which gas becomes can be easily liquefied? Carbon dioxide gas easily become to liquefaction only because of its nature only. So look at the next question is then why does the desert cool better? General hot condition means no, evaporation is happen. General water under evaporation is the endothermic phenomena. Whenever evaporation what happens here, the evaporation is that it takes heat from the surroundings only. Suppose when you are walking on the road, what happens? Just imagine when you are walking on the road, sunset will come here. When you just come to very close to the fan, what happens there is the water molecule on your face become evaporated. When it's become to evaporate, what happens there now is that water molecules takes energy from your body. So whenever water molecule takes energy from your body, automatically it will cool the you feel the coolness on. Suppose I'll say some other example also. In summertime, some people they'll use the pot. They pour water on the pot only. While what happen means in a pot contains small holes are there. Whenever water molecules comes through the pot, the water molecules under evaporation only. Whenever water molecule under evaporation, what happens there? The water molecules takes energy from the inside the pot of the water. That's reason why the water which is present in the pot become to cool only. Next one is the how does the water kept in the earth pot become to cool? Because the same phenomena only. Okay, na? I already discussed here. Because of this, will come as a evaporation process. I will also see some other example is there. Some people will sprinkle water on the summer floor on summer time. Why? Because that means water under evaporation causes the cool only. Why does our palm feel cool when we put some external petrol? Look at here, the liquids are then easily become liquids, easily become the gases is known as a volatile liquids only. Generally, external petrol is there, what easily become to vapor. When they are easily become to vapor means no, they are taking energy from the surrounding only. If they are taking energy where from, suppose I place I just take in the small petrol and I place on my hand, I'll feel cool immediately. Why cool means no, the petrol boiling point is less. So what happens when you place your hand, immediately the petrol molecules takes energy from your body, undergo evaporation only. I'll give one simple example. If you don't have petrol and in your hand, in your home only, just take ice cube is there. When you just place in your hand, why you are feeling cool? Because why ice starts melting? Where it's from where it's getting energy? It's getting energy from your hand. That's reason why only. Okay, generally that is the process only. Okay, here also have same thing only. Next one is then why you are able to feel cold when you put some yeast on. Already discussed, why we are able to sip a hot tea or milk faster than. Look at the, suppose you just consider I'm just taking the cup of the tea is there, no? In the cup of tea I will take the tea. What happens? I feel somewhat hot only. Same tea when I place in saucer, I can easily drink. Reason why means no, more surface area, more rate of evaporation, more cooling is possible. That's reason why you can easily able to drink that one is. Next one is what type of cloth we should be wearing in summer. Do you know very well now summer what happens where you have to use the cotton cloths only. Why you are using the cotton cloths means the reason why I will say one example. When cotton cloths takes more amount of sweat from your body. When it's take more amount of sweat, it is under evaporation. When it's under evaporation, what happens? Automatic cooling is happen. Because of cooling only, what happens? They will feel somewhat cool. And if you take some synthetic fibers, are there no, it won't take the sweat. It will cause the more pain, more irritation to your body only.